Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. My name is Hanmant Ladwa and in this video we are going to write a program to find the largest of three numbers in C. So let us write the preprocessor directives hash include in angular brace. We'll write standard input output dot h header file, and the next preprocessor directive is hash include in angular brace. We'll write console input output dot h header file. Void main function curly open brace, and here I am going to declare the function. So that is function prototype we are going to write. So here return type is integer, function name is largest, and inside the round bracket I am going to pass three arguments, int comma int comma int, and put semicolon. Here this is called function prototype. So how exactly we are going to declare all the variables before using them in the program? In the same way, we have to declare the function before defining the function. Here, the function prototype creates an interface for the compiler that tells this particular function is present. You have to execute the instructions present in this particular function definition. Now let us declare the variables int a comma b comma c, and the next variable is large, and put semicolon. And here I am going to write clr function, which is used to clear the screen. And now we will ask the user to enter three numbers in printf statement. In a double quotation mark I am going to write enter three numbers /n, end the double quotation mark, and put semicolon. Now I am going to write scanf statement to receive the three values. In a double quotation mark I'll write %d format specifier that represent integer type of data, %d and %d, end the double quotation mark, put comma, ampersand of a comma, here I'll write ampersand of a comma, ampersand of b, and the next variable is ampersand of c, and put semicolon. Now we are going to use this variable large is equal to largest. Here you can see largest is the name of the function, and the three arguments that is received from the user through keyboard will be passed as an argument to this function call. So here in a single line comment I'm going to write it is called function call. So whenever the compiler encounters with this particular function call, immediately control jumps from this statement to function definition. Now let us write printf statement. Printf, in a double quotation mark I'll write largest number is %d, end the double quotation mark, large, and put semicolon. Here we are going to write get ch function and curly closing brace. So let us define this particular function. Here I'm going to write return type int as it is declared over here. I'm going to write the name of the function as largest, and we need to pass three arguments, int x comma int y comma int z, and curly open brace. And here we are going to use the ternary operator, return, and inside the bracket I'm going to write x is greater than y. If it is true, x is greater than z. If it is true, then x is largest, otherwise z is largest, and then we'll put colon here, y is greater than z. If it is true, then y is largest, otherwise z is largest, and put semicolon. Now curly closing brace for this particular function definition. So this is called the ternary operator. So let us take an example. So here I'm going to write output. Now whenever we compile and run this program, it will ask the user to enter three numbers. For example, I'm going to write enter three numbers. So here A, B, C will receive three values. For example, I'm going to enter 10, 20 and 30. So you can change these numbers in different orders, and then you can check out the result. So here I'm going to write A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, and C is equal to 30. So here we have got a function call. So when the compiler encounters with this function call, immediately control jumps to the function definition. So here we are going to check out X represent A, Y represent B, and Z represent C. So here you can use the same variable as ABC. Otherwise you can use X, Y, Z or any other variable. So we are going to check out X is greater than Y. Means what? Here A is greater than Y. Otherwise I'll write here X is greater than Y. Means 10 is greater than 20. No, condition fails. Once the condition fails, then obviously this condition will not be checked. Directly control transfers to the else part over here. So it is going to check Y is greater than Z. That is Y is greater than Z means what? That is 20 is greater than 30. No, condition fails. If condition fails, then the Z will be returned. So what is the value of Z? That is value of C. So it is going to return 30 as largest. So again control transfers, and here it is going to return the value to the main function. So it is going to print largest number is and then percentage D large. So what is the value stored in large? Large is a function call, so it is going to hold 30. So it is going to print here 30. So you can jumble the numbers and you can check out the result. So now it's time to go for executing this program. For that I will take you to my laptop screen.
Here you can see I have already written this program in Turbo C++ integrated development environment. Let us compile this program by pressing Alt F9. So here you can see it is showing success, that indicates there is no syntax error. To press enter, let us run this program by pressing Ctrl F9. Here you can see it is asking the user to enter three numbers. For example, I'm going to enter 10, 20, then 30. And you can jumble this number and check out how exactly the flow of this program is working. So now I'm going to press enter. Here you can see largest number is 30. I hope you understood this program. If so, please write down in the comment box as understood. Thank you.